Someone made a poo-poo. Whoever who did this is going to be in big doo-doo. Did you do the poo-poo? No, I didn't, sir. I didn't do the poo-poo. I didn't do any poo-poo. Just look at me. Look at my eyes. Do I look like I'm lying? Look closely. I am not lying. I did not do the poo-poo. Please don't hurt me, okay? Please don't hurt me. I gotta go now. Bye-bye. Did you do the poo-poo? You better tell me now. Don't look away. Don't look away, Dharma. Look at me. Yeah, look at me.
No, I didn't. I didn't do the poo-poo. You better listen to me, or else I give you vegetarian pork bun.
Did you do the poo-poo?
No.
Did you do the poo-poo? I don't care how old you are. You did it, you better own up. Oh no, man, I didn't do the poo-poo. I'll see you later. Alright, kissy baby, did you do the poo-poo?
I don't want my face to be shown. Don't show my face. I didn't do the poo-poo, I tell you. I'm going to sleep.
Tashi, are you the one who did the poo-poo?
Me? No. Who told you? Who told you I did it? I didn't do it. Do I look like I did it? I didn't do it. Who did it? He did it. Yeah.